Here's a quick update of our ion controller. What you see here is our original ion controller that consisted of two elements. There was a computer power supply and our ion generator. We put a LED on there so you could tell if it was working as it should. But what I didn't like is it was two components and we weren't sure how long those computer power supplies would be available. So we combined it into one, and it has a UL listed transformer isolated power supply. And we also added a WeatherPack weatherproof connector so you can easily attach the ion cell to it. And the ion cells consist of just a couple copper or copper zinc electrodes. Some people use copper silver. We actually have a patent on multiple elements. And here's the full cell that we use for a swimming pool. And this is a cell that we could use for an Olympic-sized swimming pool or agriculture or aquaculture. So anyhow, there it is. It's full 30-inch length, large cell. And to get a scale, here's the two together that you can see what they look like. We've even put it on a complete system board, and this system is skid mounted with a touch screen controller that can control everything, and put it on one skid with a pump, the ion, the ozone, everything together. So back to our little ion generator controller. Everything is all together, one plug-in for AC and the other plug-in for your cell, your ion cell, in one neat little package with a clear lid so you can tell how everything's working. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.